Canon MV530i is a compact mini-DV camcorder from the early 2000s. It is part of Canon's early digital MV series. It comes with a 540K pixel 1/6-inch CCD, 18x optical zoom, and a fold-out 2.5-inch LCD with a color viewfinder showing date time and recording info. The MV530i records in standard definition on MiniDV tapes at about 500 horizontal lines of luminance. It operates in standard MiniDV SP mode at roughly 18.7 millimeters per second and may also support LP mode. The camcorder has a body weight of 530 g and measures 144 millimeters in width, 99 millimeters in height, and 58 millimeters in depth. It does not require an external cassette adapter. MiniDV cassettes load directly into the built-in tape slot. For connectivity, it includes a DVI/O port for IEEE 1394 FireWire connection for lossless digital transfer to a computer, plus composite video out and audio out for analog connections. USB streaming is supported, allowing direct video capture to a PC without a DV card. Audio is recorded on a single monaural channel via the built-in microphone with automatic gain, and there is no external mic input. The built-in mic can be overly sensitive in quiet scenes. Image stabilization is electronic, reducing shake when zoomed in or hand-holding. The lens provides 18x optical zoom and a very high digital zoom up to 360x or 800x, depending on the source, though images become very soft at high digital zoom settings. The camera includes night vision, IR, manual shutter, and exposure controls. There are several shooting programs: night mode, portrait, sports, sand and snow, and spotlight. Special effects include art, black and white, monotone, mosaic, and sepia for creative stills and video. It also adds fade-in/out faders and date timestamps, typical of early 2000s consumer camcorders. Still photos can be recorded on SD or MMC cards at a maximum resolution of around 640 by 480 pixels. At launch, the MV530i was positioned as a mid-range consumer mini-DV camcorder, below prosumer models but above the smallest entry cams. The MV530i is useful for retro aesthetics, mini-DV archiving, and learning basic camcorder operation, but it is not suitable for modern high-definition workflows. Prospective buyers should choose the MV530i only if they want a compact mini-DV cam for retro looks, archive work, or learning old DV workflows. Existing users can keep it as a lightweight SD cam for playing and digitizing old tapes or as a creative retro tool. Retro enthusiasts will appreciate it as a solid early 2000s Canon MiniDV with classic features, good build quality, and authentic DV aesthetics.